every day I have to be monitoring the water on and off all the time because the two apartment that is upstairs, water can't go up there, regular water pressure. So I have to turn on the tank. So I need a pump on the main building. So now I am setting up my pump. So I went to Rocket and asked them how to fix this white tank. So I bought a flasher ball. He screwed on that for me. And this thing, he tell me how to use it. Yeah. So I'm gonna do my thing. Whew. I think the white tank thin though. You've ever seen. So hello peace, hello joy, hello love, hello strength, hello hope. It's a new horizon. Hello peace, hello joy, hello love. Hello strength, hello hope. It's a new horizon. Yeah. It's a new horizon. Somebody lift those hands. It's a new horizon. I need you to speak it over your own life tonight. It's a new horizon. It's a new horizon. It's a new day for you. Yeah. It's a new horizon. Oh, it's here right now. It's a new horizon. It's a new horizon. It's a new horizon. Fear is not my future. You are. Sickness not my story. You are. Listen, y'all. Heartbreak not my home. You are. You are. Tempted not the end. You are. Somebody shout it out. Fear is not my future. Sickness is not my story. I know who you are. I know who you are. Heartbreak not my home. You are. You are. You are. And death is not the end. Death is not the end. You are. You are. We say hello, hello, hello. It's a brand new day. It's a brand new day. Yeah, yeah. It's a new horizon. 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 Wake up, wake up, wake up. It's a new horizon. Wake up, wake up. It's a new horizon. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Hey, yeah. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Wake up, wake up, wake up. It's a brand new day. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Wake up, wake up, wake up. So hello, peace. Hello, strength. Hello, hope. It's a new horizon. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, peace. Hello,
wow, just jumped over there. So funny. Automatically turn it on
Sickness is not your story.
when the ball goes up. Yeah, that's some automatically lock on.
Heartbreak is not your home. Yes.
I need to find it. I'm
I
not.
prophesy that death is not the end. Death is not the end. Death is not the end. Hey, death is not the end. Oh, death is not the end. We live to
So far, I don't hear the water. Well, I wouldn't hear the water. Yeah, but so far, it look like it's alright. I just need to silicone around that. Right, when the pool run down, when the sunk run down, has water go away 9 o'clock every night, 9 o'clock. Yeah, so hopefully that way. That did not solve my problem. That upstairs room, the one over there, pump like that with the tap to put on the main water source. So this should be able to stay. That's supposed to get stay on now. And this is how I have to turn it on. See what? We have to make another sound for it to work. It's not working. We have to make another sound. That's it. Is it now? So now the pump works. That sound. So even when I had this here, I have to always come and turn it because the hair goes in and stop it. So now when I do that, so everything hopefully should work now. Oh, so water pressure would be able to go in the let's go check the apartment. Carry that with you, come with walking through shortcut. Come, makeshift shortcut, come.
You know, Exodus chapter 14 captures God's people on
Put that on the
verge
table.
of a new
Let's go check the upstairs apartment. Put the box on the table.
Exodus,
So it's supposed to work then. That's what am I talking about?
generational
Huh.
captivity and bondage.
Wait, I'm mapping here. My foot wet, yours not wet.
The land flowing with milk and honey. They can see a season where they
Trying to think if everything
transition from
would
not
work.
enough to more than enough.
All right.
They can
Let's
see
check this out.
a season where they reap the harvest of
Holy
joy from
fuck!
the seed of tears. But
Yes!
there's something between them and their new horizon.
So we buy the pump for the man. Cancel! Woohoo! I fucking did it! I just need to silicone.
In front of them,
That, yay! Do the water dance, do the water dance, do the water dance! We're twerking our ass on TikTok for the first time! Yes! Wait, this not work though. Oh yeah, it's work. Yeah, I set it there.
if there isn't a way, he'll make one.
Oh my god, I did it!
By God causing the winds to blow
Ah,
and part the
yes, you can complain again that I don't have water. Jump on, we have no water.
say how
Because what it normal, it would have just automatically full back the tank, let out, full back, let out, and keep on rotating so the water have to run through the tank. Awesome!
In here is nice.
Yeah, you never come up here.
No, how much is this one?
Same, all of them is 11,000. On Airbnb, I think you paid 13 in total, but I only get
What,
maybe
US?
10,000 for $80 I charge.
That's 80 a night?
Yes! I am not all that crazy. Well, my craziness works, except I was saying I need a pump for the main entrance, not thinking that the tank has to stay on. Yeah. It cost me a little bit, but that's nothing compared to.
That's a bit.